What's up guys, welcome to White Glove Auto. I'm Darian. Today we're doing something a little different. We are going to be wrapping this fridge for a man cave. It's actually a pretty sick design, so let's hop right into it. I'm just working this glue off the back here. I'm actually using a piece of backing paper from the PPF. It's just not very abrasive and it's pretty thin, so it helps you get behind there. Just a quick wipe with the isopropyl and we should be good to go. The fridge is, I mean, it's a fridge. It's not been driving around. It's not dirty or anything, so. All right, so I'm gonna go ahead and just dry hang this piece up here so we can get it all squared up and, you know, level and everything. What I'm looking for right now is I know that this was printed and designed and everything with the plan to have 2 inches of bleed all the way around. So basically I just have to square it up based off of those measurements. And other than that, you know, it's kind of just logos and everything, so it's meant to just kind of be wherever. So it's all squared up and ready to go. I'm just spraying a hinge point right here with these magnets, and I'm also going to make a couple tacks. We're just going to do the top section first, and then the bottom half. So we're just going to fold this up and use the snitty and just cut the backing off, and just fold this up, start the top. So I'm gonna work away from this joint right here, and then once I get this top part done and I start working this way, I'm gonna work from the joint down. I'm just working my way a little bit at a time. I'm keeping the backing paper on for most of it and just rolling it up so that it minimizes dirt. Just focusing on overlap. There's a lot of stuff going on here, so it's easy to miss air if you're not paying attention, so just gotta be patient. All right, so we got this face all squeegeed out. Now we're just gonna slowly start wrapping this edge all the way around. Then we're gonna make this cut on this, this back edge here. So basically the plan is once I have this tucked around this edge here, and then I cut this, the next piece is gonna have a little bit overhanging past where this edge is, and so I'll be able to line this up pretty easily. I'm just gonna go around the perimeter, just trim it all up. So there's a wraparound in between these two doors. So what I had to do is just make a really clean freehand the whole way. It's kind of sketchy, but you just want it to look really clean, and so luckily there's no waves or anything. So now when it tucks in, you just have that clean edge all the way down. Alright guys, so we got the side lined up. I just folded the top half. We're gonna do the same thing like we did on the front. We're just gonna go ahead and squeegee from this joint and work from the joint up, and then once we get to the top, we're gonna do from the joint down, just like the front. Alright guys, so we got the fridge all knocked out. It's looking a lot crazier than you know, just a normal fridge. So thanks for watching the video. If you like this content, make sure you stick around and subscribe for the next video. See you guys later.